2023. South-South PDP governors, stakeholders don call for presidency to southern region of Naija, say the hunger and katakata wey APC government carry come Naija no be small. PDP governors for South-South region with some elders and stakeholders for the zonal summit for the party on Monday, March 21st, 2022, don hala say make person from the southern region be Naija president for 2023, based on say the region don first dey play ogbonge role for the economic provision for Naija. Akwa Ibom State Governor and leader of PDP for the state, Udom Emmanuel, wey lead the call, come here say for 2015, PDP comot leave the economy for ogbonge shape for Nigerians, but e dey Saturday say APC-led government don push our country enter hole of economic katakata. That na why as Nigerians don see the difference, dem dey hope for PDP to come back power to remake the nation from the decay wey APC don turn Naija into. Chairman for the South-South Governors Forum and Governor for Delta State, Dr. Ifeanyi Okowa, come hail the structure of the PDP South-South zone for their efforts to strengthen the party for the region, say PDP waka to save Naija go become real life. Governor Nyesom Wike, Governor Duoye Diri, former Governor Lie Moke come here and say the hunger and katakata wey APC government carry come the country no be small, say hope dey as PDP go soon gbab Naija from APC grip of death. National Vice Chairman for PDP South-South Zone, Chief Danobi, come praise the delegates for the summit wey dem take outside the party invite, say the purpose of the summit go renew the hope of indigenes of the South-South region and Nigerians as a whole. The ogbonge people wey tanda on top this summit na serving and former governors, deputies, members of the National Assembly, members of the Board of Trustees for PDP, members of the National Executive Committee for PDP, members of the State House of Assembly, SSGs, commissioners, among others for the South-South region. Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.